Hi guys, कैसे हो आप सब? वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। जैसे कि मैंने आपको लास्ट वीडियो में बताया था, आई एम डन विद माई सेमेस्टर 1 एंड टुडे आई एम गोइंग फॉर अ डिनर विद माई फ्लैटमेट्स बिकॉज इसके बाद सब लोग इधर उधर घूमने चले जाएंगे, तो हमने सोचा कि हम सबको साथ में एक बार डिनर करना चाहिए। तो आई विल बी शूटिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ व्लॉग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम। So today you will meet my flatmates. So Andy suggested a place where we are going to eat today. So Andy, tell us about the place.
All right, so the place we're going to is just called Wings. They serve wings, like chicken wings, like American style.
Yeah.
And it's like a block off the Royal Mile.
Yeah.
Which is really sort of an interesting location. It's this total hole in the wall, but it's really cool inside. I discovered it super randomly exploring with my friend.
Yeah.
So yeah.
That's cool.
The turn here is here. We're going down here.
All right.
Going down here, you guys.
So we were planning to eat something Spanish today, but that didn't happen. Next time we will do that. But today we will eat American food.
Yep.
All right. And now let's talk with Jorge. So man, how are you feeling about your holiday? What are you gonna do? What's your plan?
I'm going back to Spain.
Yeah.
See my family and my friends.
Yeah.
Celebrate New Year's there. And I'm super excited for the chicken wings now.
Nice. And let's now talk to Mailing. Hey man, what's up? How are you feeling? You finished your semester 1.
Yeah.
How are you feeling about it?
I feel very excited because I gotta go to Turkey for maybe 1 week for trip. So yeah, I'm gonna
You're
go
going to Turkey. Are you going to
Turkey.
Ireland also?
Yeah, Ireland, yes, and Ireland too. But it's on the planning. Yeah.
Cool then. And now we will go inside and I'll catch up with you guys later on. तो गाइज़ हमने अभी खाना खा लिया है। इस जगह पे बहुत ही फेमस चिकन विंग्स मिलते हैं। ऑल्दो आई एट मैक एंड चीज़ बिकॉज आई प्रेफर वेजिटेरियन फूड ओवर नॉन वेजिटेरियन फूड, but it was nice experience and one of my flatmates Fabian joined us later. He was already there, he didn't come with us, वो कहीं और से डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे पहुँच गया था। So I'll now introduce you guys to Fabian. Hey Fabian, how are you?
Hey, yeah, guys. Oh, yeah. So please subscribe to
Thank you.
Dream UK.
Yeah.
Hey, you remember?
Yeah.
Yeah, he
I do remember.
remembers.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of Dream UK. I do have I have a YouTube channel myself. If you like, you can subscribe to mine.
Really?
Do not subscribe to his channel.
What's the name of your channel?
It's called Dream Spain.
Dream Spain.
Yeah, Dream Spain.
So did you like the food, Fabian?
The food, yeah.
And why didn't you come with us? You reached the place, I mean, all by yourself.
I don't know. Because I was on time.
And how are you feeling about completing your semester 1?
Really enjoy it. I will be back. I can't recommend this enough. So
Yeah.
if any of you is in Edinburgh, you can come here and get some nice wings. My favorite sauce is what's the called? I can't remember. Oh, whiskey sauce. That's my favorite.
Nice. And Andy, how would you rate this place out of 10?
I'd give it a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. That's all.
Yes, I love this place. I love the food is really, really good. The wings are so good, better than any I've had in the States. The decor is really cool. You know, it's like very nerdy, and I'm like very into all that.
Yeah.
So yeah, I love this place.
And how would you rate the music?
I would rate the music 10 out of 10 because they played Group Love. So
That's amazing. Hey Mei-Ling. Hello. Did you enjoy the food?
Yeah, it's really
I'm
wonderful
not big
things,
on
and I especially like the whiskey and pepper style.
Yeah, I think Fabian liked that too.
Yeah. We got the same taste because we had the flatmates.
Yeah, and the place is not very expensive though. I mean, we ate a lot of food, ordered drinks, and we had to pay like 11 pounds only. Although that's not very cheap, but like it's decent.
It's
for,
really decent.
For
affordable for us.
Affordable,
and
yeah.
We can afford the very delicious food in this place.
Yeah, nice.
Nashville Hot
So-
Chicken. It's like
Oh, hey.
Hey,
What do you think about the food?
I really like it. Do I have to give a rating as well?
Yeah, you have to read it.
I'll give it a 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10.
Yeah.
So, what do you think was missing?
I ordered some wings that were a bit too spicy for me,
Yeah.
but I survived.
Yeah, I think you should try more sauces next time when you come here. There was a long list of sauce that you can get, but
There's like 100 flavors,
yeah, but I only got like mac and cheese. So that's the thing. But so now we are heading back to our accommodation. Guys, do you think we should go to Edinburgh Castle? Are you up for it, or shall we like go back? What do you think?
We're very close, so we can go there.
Are you up for it? Or you can go back if you don't want to do it.
let's do it. Let's do it.
Cool. So we will go to Edinburgh Castle now. All right.
That's fine. Okay, I'll go home and write my essay.
Oh no, don't. Just
So shall we?
Maybe I should go home and write my.
No, it's 2 minutes, come on.
Okay, fine.
It's close. So let's.
That is stuff.
You want to talk? Yeah.
yeah. So we've just arrived at the castle, the famous Edinburgh Castle,
Yeah.
and it's got a really nice view. Wow, beautiful. I'm loving it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
It's Edinburgh Castle, and that's more. Yeah.
Clear night sky, and the castle looks really beautiful at night. The lights.
Yeah. All the viewers can't see shit right now.
Yeah.
Because it's too dark.
really
Sorry
sorry.
guys, there is not enough light here.
Sorry to all of the viewers out there.
But just look at this view. So I hope आपको आज का vlog पसंद आया होगा. That's all for today's video. Let me know if you want more of such vlogs in the coming days. Bye guys, take care.